Bye, Z. Good luck mga new moms and dads.
3 hours later.
Hi, CJ. Eat na tayo. Eat.
Dili na pa, dili na siya kalikot.
Fast in bed daw ka na si Tito.
Let's breakfast.
Maot kay dagawin ni Tito. Hala, social kaayo si CJ. Oh, breakfast in bed. Hala ka, day. Sana all. Naabutan siya, oy. Dinosaur ba na? Wow, may pa-chucky pa siya, oh. Here ka, here. Here, sit here. Here, so you can watch.
That's no place to be narrow and steep.
Let's try Tito Jessie's
Chase,
food.
get the little mouse on his mama. This is not the case.
Wow. Ay, ako okay, ragid na word ako dog saya today. Kuha na siya ni storya. Pag ingong Chucky na okay na yun siya.
Sounds like you're a hungry pup, Rebel.
Wow! Tito Jessie, nagugas. Ano yung Chucky?
Mr. Porter, some process right, please. Nice try, but I don't think so. Here, I'll call the cops. You get ready for the deputies.
CJ, say hi! How are you doing?
One thing you're afraid of.
How are you there? Are you good?
Let's close because it will wash. Open. Get 5.
Oh, naka-ano na yan. Nag-poop na yan si ZJ. Nakabagong damit na. Paano yung poop experience? Poop washing experience.
Dahil very good si ZJ, may ice cream si DJ.
Elbow, my ice cream is so good.
Did
So
you like
good.
it?
I'll help you.
Thank
Small. Like that. Small, small.
yeah. How can I work with it?
Not working. Let me help you. Ooh. Ooh, difficult.
Oh!
Oh, like this. Mm.
What happened?
Is it good or what?
Did you like it or not? You like it?
Figure out niya pa. Say hi, ZJ.
Hi, go.
Look at yourself, ZJ. Look, oh. Chocolate. Yung nagpa-cute pa siya, oh.
12 o'clock midnight.
Tulog na mo? Natulog na siya, Ber? Ay, mo ba? Nagtulog yun na. Matapos siya. Dami na rin siya, di ba? At mo ingon tayo.
Gusto lang siya lang tao. Sige, mag-timer ko. 10 minutes na lang.